Daggum, you Robin Hood?
Silly wolf, you can't catch Robin Hood and his merry men.
Those merry men really get my blood to boiling.
I don't know, but I've been told we're the best at digging gold. Left, right, left, right.
Darn Red Riding Hood holding up traffic. Can't you visit your grandma after rush hour? You'll pay for this, Little Red.
Hold it right there, son. I'm the inspector around these parts. Where are you going with that there basket? I am on my way to my sick grandma's house with the goodies. Tom. Now hold on there. Let's just have a look at them there goodies. Fried chicken, a banana, custard pie, bottle of apple juice. Huh. Grandma can't be too sick to be chewing down on all this takeout. I'll just hold on to this for safekeeping. Aha! Hey there, cousin. We're on our way to Grandma's pad. She's throwing a sick bash. It's vernacular for spectacular. Count me in, cousins.
That should do it. A little detour should send Red straight to me. Get lost, kids. I've got bigger fish to fry.
You mean me?
Oh, get lost!
Now let's see about this sick bash.
You'll make an excellent plate of wolf puffs. Sit tight, boys. The main course has arrived. Aha! Just what I've been waiting for. Ah, we mustn't skip protocol. What big eyes I have. What big ears I have. Big nose, big mouth, yada, yada, yada. Let's cut to the chase. There, now, I hope you're all cozy. I'm not your granny, but I do love a basket of goodies. Ah, Robin Hood and his merry men. Curse you, Robin Hood. This isn't even your story. Now you will get what's coming to you, you evil witch! Now I've got a little something for you, Robin Hood. You forgot to say, what a big broom you have, Grandma. Hey, wait, that's not good.
That there gingerbread man could hurt somebody.
That's the idea. Huh? I'm all out of fancy cookies, so I hope you like the plain ones. Enough! No more playtime with the pastry.